Wall-to-wall clean just got faster. Introducing Ridgid FlexShaft machines, the time-saving experts. Standard or carbide tip chain knockers expand, so you can clean up to 4-inch pipe through smaller access points. Unlike other drain cleaning tools, you can keep your sea snake inspection camera in the pipe while you run a FlexShaft machine. Combining steps gets you onto the next job faster. The fully contained system is lightweight and easy to carry, because everyone loves one-trip drain cleaning. It's the innovation you expect from the brand more professional drain cleaners trust. Flex your coverage at ridgid.com/FlexShaft.